In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Slack. This is a really useful setup if you want to connect your team's documentation with day-to-day conversations. Once the integration is in place, Notion can send database updates into Slack. Shared Notion links can show better previews, and you can even turn Slack messages into Notion tasks without breaking your workflow. To get started, open Notion either in your desktop app or in your web browser. From the left-hand sidebar, go to Settings and Members. Inside the Workspace Settings area, click on Connections, or in some workspaces it may appear as My Connections. From there, look through the available integrations, find Slack, and click Connect. This is the first part of building the connection between the two platforms. Next, a secure authorization window will appear. In that window, make sure the correct Slack workspace is selected, especially if you belong to more than one. Take a moment to review the permissions being requested so you understand what the integration will be allowed to access. When you're ready, scroll down and click Allow. That completes the authorization and lets Notion communicate with Slack securely. Once the connection is active, you can start setting up automated database notifications. In Notion, open any database such as a task board, project tracker, or team planning list. Then click the automations icon, which may look like a lightning bolt. If you don't see it right away, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the database and choose automations from there. After that, click New Automation. Now configure the automation based on what you want to notify your team about. For the trigger, you can choose something like Page Added, or select a condition tied to a specific status field changing. For the action, choose the option to send a Slack notification, then select the Slack channel where those updates should appear. This can be especially helpful for keeping project channels informed without requiring anyone to manually post updates. When everything looks right, click Create. From that point on, Notion will automatically send a formatted notification into the selected Slack channel whenever that database event happens. You can also create Notion pages directly from Slack, which is great for capturing ideas or turning messages into trackable work. In Slack, hover over the message you want to save. Click the More Actions button, shown as 3 dots, in the message menu. Then choose Create Task in Notion or Send to Notion, depending on how it appears in your workspace. A setup window will open where you can choose the destination workspace, pick the right Notion database, enter a title, and click Create. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.